Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here with Ant's Drone, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to capture a 360 panoramic photo. I've got the drone in the sky already. I'm recording my screen, so let's get into it. So first thing we want to do is we want to switch to the photography mode, and once in there you want to access the photo settings. You go to this camera option here, and in here we want to switch this to a pano. Hit OK, and in here we have the option of doing a sphere, which is our 360 panoramic photo that we're going to do, but you also have the option of a 180, a vertical, or a horizontal. So we're just going to go with the sphere, and just like taking a picture, you just want to hit the shutter button. And what I recommend for this, before you do hit that shutter button, is you want to make sure that you're shooting in JPEG RAW. So what this will do is it'll stitch together a JPEG, but it'll save the RAW photos, which you can either edit individually or, stitch together yourself if you want to, but the drone does stitch together the pano on its own. So we're going to start facing toward the sun, and the reason why we do that is because if we don't, then the sun is super overexposed. So I'm going to hit the shutter button, and it's going to take a series of pictures in a 360 motion, and that will basically allow you to stitch together a 360 photo. So once this is done, I will show you guys what the end result looks like on the computer. So now we are on the computer, and we're going to take the 360 photo that we captured outside, and we're going to put it on our computer so that we can edit it and post it somewhere. So I've got the SD card in the computer. Here it is, it's untitled, and there it is, it's opened up. And now I'm going to open up another Finder window, and this time I'm going to go to the movies folder. So now that I have these two windows opened up, I'm going to go into the DCIM. You have the 100 media and you have panorama. So I'm going to drag the panorama photo folder in here, because that folder has the raw photos from the panorama. So if I ever wanted to stitch it myself with a software like PT GUI, then that's where I would go. I would go to those files and stitch it in a software like that. But like I said, the drone also stitches its own, so you don't necessarily need to save that if you don't think you're ever going to use those files, but it stores this as a JPEG. So I'm going to have to find it in here. I think this is it right here. Yep, there it is. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it into our folder here. Just like that, it's in there. So this is the stitched image. It doesn't really make a lot of sense when you look at it, because it's all distorted, and that is because it's actually meant to be viewed in a 360. You have to upload it to a place that's going to be able to serve that. Okay guys, so now I'm on my iPad instead of my phone because I figured it's a bigger screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my photos here, and I'm going to select the 360, and as you can see up here in the corner, you can see the 360 photo symbol. So I'm going to tap on that and hit done, and right off the bat you can pick your starting view, but you can also use this as a way to just preview your photo even if you don't want to post it. Now mind you, before you post it, it's going to look like crap in the preview. As you can see right now, it's all blurry. It's unfortunate, but just know that when you post it, it's going to look great. So yeah guys, that is how you can make a 360 photo with your Mavic 2 Pro just like this, and post it on a website like Facebook or a similar website. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're updated when I upload new videos, and also make sure to hit that thumbs up button. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.